all of our kids are going to be totally enveloped in aviation from a young age. So
that should be good.
Yeah, hopefully they'll enjoy it.
4 months old. And
yeah.
Trying to learn how to
4
fly.
months and he's learning, yeah. I don't know how much he's absorbing. He was
That's
sleeping
right.
most of the flight yesterday.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Excitation. This is Captain Akiko. Today we're going to Monterey, California. It's gonna be a short flight, but this is the very beautiful town by the water. So I hope I can show you the beautiful view from the airplane. And I have a new guest today, my new co-pilot, Ben. And I want to ask him a few questions. So hope you enjoy the flight. こんにちは皆さん、エクサイテーションへようこそ。キャプテンのアキコです。今日はですね、モントレーといってカリフォルニアにあるんですけれども、海辺のね小さな町に行きます。多分ね、その水の景色が綺麗に映れたらなと思ってます。そして今日は私のニューコーパイロットのねベンが一緒に飛んでくれることになってますので、皆さんに紹介したいと思います。このチャンネルがいいと思ったら、LIKE ボタン、サブスクライブしてください。じゃあね。
Good morning, Grand Sally, so 44 Delta Tango Clay Lacey, ready to taxi. We have a hotel.
Number 44 Delta Tango Fan is grounded. Bring over to the west side of the field for sequence. Taxi via Bravo Kilo. Hold short of running 16 right.
Your left.
Van Nuys ground exit at 361 taxi
Right,
from
going
NetJet
right.
with hotel.
Busy morning today.
Yeah.
Ground NetJet 2160 ready for taxi. Number 44 Delta Tango, runway 16 right, full length, clear for takeoff.
16 right, clear to take off, 44 Delta Tango.
Happy 2 mile right base, Cherokee. Copy. Cherokee 369er, fly heading 080 for final.
00 for final, 369er. Alright, 33 Juliet Bravo, hold short Delta.
Number 833 Juliet Bravo, Van Nuys Tower, waiting on your window, should have it momentarily.
And Van Nuys Tower, system 414, Mike Echo holding short 16 right cross on departure.
So how often do you fly lately?
Every day.
Every day?
Every day.
Where do you go?
I've been flying for probably 35 days straight right now.
Oh.
Maybe 40 days. I've had a couple days off, but
Right.
recently came back from Fort Lauderdale on a Mustang.
Oh.
We went from Fort Lauderdale to Denver or to Centennial, and then spent the night there, and then went to Reno, and then down to Van Nuys.
Okay.
And then we did, I've done Reno a couple of times. I picked up an airplane in Oklahoma City.
Okay.
Done a lot of Sun Valley, Idaho, Santa Barbara, San Francisco, so all over.
So it's always Mustang or?
No, everything. TBM, King Air,
LA Center,
Mustang,
Margo 21 Juliet,
Cirrus,
got
Bonanzas.
Bakersfield.
So many.
Yeah, Cessnas.
Really?
And a 182 yesterday.
Okay.
Flew a 206 recently. Try to get into all of it. Whenever I'm flying the jets, I miss the small planes. Whenever I'm flying the small planes, I miss the jets. It's a vicious cycle.
That's right.
Yeah. Do you fly small planes anymore, or just the Mustang?
Oh, it's just this right now, yeah.
Good. That was a good airplane. I do love the Mustang. It's a great
Yeah.
airplane.
But I miss it, a little airplane sometimes, too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When was the last time you came into Monterey?
Well, this is my first time.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a nice little airport. I was just up here a couple, last week, I think.
Okay.
Good airport. There's some terrain
Right.
going into 2.8s. So as you can see on the approach, they kind of bring you in from the side.
So it's not a straight end, right?
Correct.
Okay.
It is at an angle.
Right.
Yep. Dang, they might be keeping us down here at 22, huh?
Yeah.
Sounds like it.
Yeah, so Ben, you can explain to us that is your experience
Yeah.
in aviation? How long
Going
have
to
you
Bakersfield
flying,
approach
or how do you
126,
start?
45677.
So I started flying back when I was 17 years old, and when I was still in high school. So about 13 years ago now, and started flying. Trained right here in Southern California at Brackett Field with Mount Sac. It's a local community college around here.
Okay.
They have a good program, and
And
trained with them for a few years and got my my flight instructor's rating and started flight instructing. And then back in 2014, I went to an airline and started flying for one of the regional airlines here in on the West Coast. Did that for about 4.5 years. Was still flying some smaller airplanes, the Mustang, just some jet props, TBMs, and then obviously some Cirruses and small stuff like that. And from there, I decided to leave SkyWest in 2019 and started just doing, started Lipson Aviation. And we do sales, management, a lot of flying, different airplanes, like I was saying, the Mustangs, the King Airs, TBMs, all the Cirrus lineup. So since then, I've got just about 8,000 hours and a whole bunch of experience flying all over the U.S., into Mexico, Canada, all that. So it's been a lot of fun.
Yeah, so you've been flying for many, many years.
Yeah, for
one contact LA Center.
It's a little over a decade now, and it's been a lot of fun and made a lot of memories doing it, and I look forward to many more years to come.
Tango, Oakland Center 13455. Good day.
Yeah, and lately, Ben, you had a baby, right? So
Yeah, we had a little boy. He's just about 4 months old, and he's a bundle of joy, to say the least.
November 797 Charlie Sierra. I maintain
his
title
picture is
350.
so cute.
Yeah, I can't wait to teach him how to fly one day. And you're in hopefully a few years to come.
You can't wait already.
I can't wait already. We took him flying when he was just a couple of weeks old, and we just took him on a flight yesterday, and we went out to dinner, and it's
oh my gosh.
we all of our kids are going to be totally enveloped in aviation from a young age. So
That should be good.
yeah, hopefully they'll enjoy it.
4 months old and trying to learn how to
4
fly.
months and he's learning, yeah. I don't know how much he's absorbing. He was
That's
sleeping
right.
most of the flight yesterday.
Maybe he's dreaming, you know.
Yeah,
I mean, he's
about
flying
other
in a
airplanes.
dream. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So both my wife and I have been busy with that. And funny enough, I actually I taught my wife how to fly a couple of years ago.
I don't remember. Is she a pilot?
She's a pilot. She's a private.
A private pilot. Okay.
And she also works for a regional airline as a flight attendant.
Oh.
And so she's obviously taken some time off to take care of the baby right now, but she's also pretty involved with aviation as well.
Right.
So we're an aviation family, to say the least.
That's right. I can't wait to see that your son is flying.
Yeah, it'll be. I can't wait to see it either.
Hi guys, this is Captain Akiko here. We just came to Monterey, California from LA. That was a little short flight, an hour or so. And what the approach, I used RNAV approach, but it wasn't straight in. So it was a little tricky and a lot of trains here, but I really enjoyed it. It's a little chilly here compared to LA, but it seems like a nice town. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye!